Hey students, this is lesson 3.1. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to identify relationships between figures in space and to identify angles formed by two lines on the transversal. Go ahead and try this review. All right, parallel lines. Look at this definition here. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. Skew lines are non-coplanar. They are not parallel and do not intersect. Parallel lines are planes that do not intersect. Write each word, phrase, or symbol in the correct oval. You can try that and check back. All right, so which segments are parallel to RU, which segments are skewed to SW, what are two pairs of parallel planes, what are two segments parallel to plane RU, YB? We'll figure that out. Okay, with respect to the segment parallel to segment RU, that's this one here. You could pick a bunch of them. I'm just going to pick PY is 1, ST is 1, WX is 1. I think that's all of them. Which segments? Which segments are skewed to SW? So SW is right here. Skew means that it's non-coplanar and it is non-parallel. So that would be lines like this one right here and this one right here. So RU and XY. Okay, what are two pairs of parallel planes? That could be a bunch of different ones there, but I'm going to say RU, YB, and WXTS parallel. I'm not going to give two of them. I think that's good. What are two segments parallel to the plane are RUYB? So two segments that are parallel to this, and that would be like this segment here, this segment here. Actually, this segment here. Any segment on a plane that's parallel to that. So WS, segment WS, segment TS, any of those would be parallel to that plane. All right, go ahead, you see if you got it. All right, key concept, angle pairs formed by transversal. Now, a transversal, just so you know, the definition of transversal is any line that intersects two other lines. So in this picture, this one right here is a transversal, T. All right, and then we have some definitions here. Same side, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior, so look at what is marked as the interior. And the alternating means on different sides of the transversal. So these two are alternate interior. Same side interior, well, that's pretty obvious now that you saw the alternate one. Same side interiors would be like 3 and 6 or 4 and 5. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of a transversal and in corresponding positions. So corresponding means the same. So the same side of transversal would be like 5 and 1. They're both above the line, or 4 and 8 both be below the line. Alternate exterior, so now we've got to be outside the interior part. That would be like those two. All right, so go ahead and match them up, see if you understand that. All right, identifying an angle pair, which is a pair of alternate interior angles. So we kind of have to figure out what the interior is. And the interior is this space in here, because the transversal cuts these lines M and M. R is the transversal. So this is the interior space. So an alternate interior angle, so on other opposite sides of the transversal, that would be like these two, 7 and 3, is that on our list? Or 6 and 2, that one works. Which is a pair of alternate interior angles? That's the question we just asked. So I'll let you try and figure that out. A little different picture. And then go ahead and do 22 through 24, see if you understand. All right, problem 3, classifying an angle pair. How would you classify angles 2 in the figure above? 2 and 4. So you have to decide what is the transversal and what are the two lines that are being crossed. So you probably have figured out by now that this is the transversal. So with respect to that, the interior would be here and here. So these two are on the interior, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So we're going to say these are alternate interior angles. All right. Go ahead and try, you got it here, and I'll check back with you. It's time to do the lesson check. There's actually a couple of them here. Go ahead and do those and be ready to share those in class next time we meet.